Hi guys, welcome back. So today in this lecture we will discuss about how to mass transfer your file to another user. Let's take an example so that you can easily understand it. I have an user, let's say Asutosh. Go, just open this, click on users, and I have an user that is Asutosh. And when I log in this user, so I have in a file something like more than two to three files. There are four files are there. So he want to transfer the file that is mass transfer files. So to another user, you want to transfer all the owners to the another user. How to do this? Through ScreenFlow. So by using ScreenFlow, we can transfer the all the files to the another user. Let's say Abhishek user, that is system administrator. Okay. So to achieve this scenario, log out this Ashutosh and just log in this again. And in the quick find bot search flow, in the quick find bot search flow, and open the flow where it is. Yeah, this one. Click on this flow. Okay, go to new flow, and it display the screen. Start from scratch. Click on next. Screen flow. Select. Okay, create. Yeah. Okay. So click on प्लस आइकन क्रिएट स्क्रीन. सो हमारा सिनेरियो बनेगा कि पहले हम लुकअप जाइए सो दैट लुकअप यूजर के साथ हो क्रिएटेड बाय आईडी इट मींस यूजर एंड उसके अगेंस्ट ट्रांसफर हो जाए फाइल सारे यूजर को. सो सबसे पहले मैं क्या करूँगा, एक लुकअप लूँगा. ठीक है, एंड इसका लेबलिंग कर देता हूँ ट्रांसफर, फाइल ट्रांसफर. ओके ओके, एंड लुकअप का नेम ट्रांसफर फाइल्स TRANS. Okay, transfer files. API name है, so give it mark as underscore. Okay, so field API name which is created by ID because it's a lookup of user. So created by created by ID. Label it a transfer transferring and as to user. Okay, and object API name that is account. Required is equal to true. ओके, ये यूजर के साथ क्रिएटेड बाय आईडी इट मींस इट लुकअप टू यूजर. सो अकाउंट एक ऑब्जेक्ट है, उसके अंदर क्रिएटेड बाय आईडी एक लुकअप है जो यूजर के साथ है. दैट इज सो फील्ड नेम एपीआई नेम मैंने डाल दिया क्रिएटेड बाय आईडी जो लुकअप है यूजर के साथ और कौन से ऑब्जेक्ट पर, दैट लेट्स से अकाउंट ऑब्जेक्ट. ओके, सो दिस इज हाउ. ओके, क्लिक ऑन डन. देन आफ्टर दिस क्लिक ऑन अपडेट रिकॉर्ड. Select this update record and label it name as transfer files. Okay, already it name transfer files ownership like this. Okay, so select this, give me a second, select this and okay, so use the ID. Okay, so specify the condition. मैं condition डालूंगा that is content document या click on this content document and इस content में मेरे पास condition क्या होगा, owner ID equals user के साथ ID. ओके, जब ओनर आईडी इक्वल होगी यूजर की आईडी के साथ तब क्या होगा, हमारा फाइल ट्रांसफर हो जाए, ओनरशिप क्या होगा, ट्रांसफर हो जाएगा. ओके, सो ओनर आईडी ट्रांसफर होगा, तुम्हारा ट्रांसफर फाइल्स दिस वन. ये लुकअप जो आपने लगा रखा है ना, ये ट्रांसफर फाइल्स, क्लिक ऑन दिस रिकॉर्ड आईडी। ओके, उस ट्रांसफर ओनर आईडी ट्रांसफर पर रिकॉर्ड आईडी के जो आपकी होगी उस पर ओनर आईडी ट्रांसफर हो जाएगी। गॉट माय पॉइंट? ओके, जस्ट क्लिक सेव। बाय। ओके, click on save, just activate this. Okay, so now let's go back to sales user. And in this home tab, I add a tab that is flow tab, that is file transfer, mass file transfer. In component search flow, add this here and mass, yeah, this one, select this and save. Okay. Okay, let's log into a Sutosh. User to test login. And login this. I'm just logging to the Ashutosh user. Okay. So yeah, this one. Okay. And okay, I have this much of files. Give me a second, guys. So record is not creatable. Okay. So because the Ashutosh profile is read only, that's why it's the flow runs in a user mode. You know already, as previous section, previous lecture we discuss about how to run your flow, your system mode. So just change the profile to the something standard user. Okay, so change that profile to that particular user. Otherwise, you can run this flow as a system mode also by using your change the advanced section in your scheme flow. Okay, as we discussed earlier in the lecture. So just change the profile, something like standard user. Okay, let's save this, log in again, and yeah, select this. Okay, just change the Ashutosh, just change this to salesforce flow. Okay, salesforce flow, मैं चाहता हूँ कि ये सारा फाइल्स मेरे salesforce में ट्रांसफर हो जाए. कल से कॉन्नेक्ट. Okay, it will be done. Let's check. Go to files. Here, all files are to be gone. Okay, let's go to system administrator files to check whether it is there or not. Just I'm logging again to my system administrator profile. Go to sales tab. Click on the sales tab and go to file section. Here it is. The file has been transferred. That is bank statement, Capgemini, Topusha integration right now, 11:18. Okay, right today. Okay, So this is how you can mass transfer your files to another user. Okay, I hope you will like this video. Please hit like and subscribe my channel and stay tuned for the future updates too. So thank you guys. If you have any comments, then wrote down in the comment section.